Hi kids, welcome back. I missed you guys so much. I hope everybody had a wonderful break and is well refreshed to get started learning again. All right, so today I want you guys, after our life class, I want you to do your pre-spelling test. We're gonna focus on digraphs. That means two letters that go together that make a sound. So the CH sound, that makes the ch sound, and the SH sound makes the sh sound, and the TH sound makes the th sound. So all of our spelling words, if you look at them, have those digraphs in them. Lunch, shape, wish, shop, show, catch, then, each, bath, and such. So have someone at home give you the pre-spelling test. If you get them all right, then I want you guys to focus on the challenge list. Bunch, months, shrimp, shopping, itchy, chaste, thanks, shy, toothbrush, and eyelash. All right. After you take the pre-spelling test, I want you to work on It's a New Year flat book. And this is a paper that I printed out for you, and it should be in the last set of materials that I gave you guys. So let's just check out the Seesaw Activity. All right, so it looks like this, and I need you to color this in nicely and cut out where the flaps are, okay? And then here is what you need to write. So you need to think, what do I have a goal for 2021? And write it in here. A goal I have. I will try harder to. What are you going to try harder to do? A book I want to read. Put the book in here. Write the book in there. And I want to learn. And then you're also going to cut out these flaps, and you're going to glue the top flaps there. And then you're going to put glue on the back of this paper too, and you're going to glue it onto a piece of construction paper that should be in your supply box. All right. And then you can color in. I think I gave you guys a printed version of this, so you guys can color it in too. All right, so try and think of some good goals and some good things that you want to learn for this year. All right, let's go back to what's next. Then we have a possessive noun activity. We're going to talk about possessive nouns in live class today. So if you click here, it goes to a Seesaw app. And it's coming. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to circle the possessive nouns in red and use the pencil tool to add the apostrophe in the correct places. Then I want you to read, I want you to read the sentences and record it using the microphone. Okay, so that's a pretty simple activity to practice adding those possessive apostrophes, so it shows ownership. All right, what do we have next? So in math, I'm so excited because we are starting multiplication, and I love teaching multiplication. Multiplication is like adding groups of things. So if you have, 5 groups that have 2, candies in each, then that's 5 times 2, and that's 10. So we're going to actually do activity 5.1. We're going to do the first page in live class, so you don't have to worry about the first page that is on this assignment, because we're going to do that together. But let me just go there so I can show you what it looks like. We need our hundreds chart for our live class, so make sure to get out your hundreds chart. Okay, so let's go on here. And so this is what you're going to do. We're going to do, you can choose a number to count by, 2, 5s, or 10s. And then this one is the activity. So shade in the numbers that show skip counting by twos. Okay. 30 is how many groups of two? 12 is how many groups of two? 20 is how many groups of two? And 18 is how many groups of two? Okay, so let's think about that. And then over here, we're going to do shade in the numbers that show skip counting by fives. And 50 is how many groups of five? Okay, so complete this activity and make sure to click on the green check when you're finished. All right, then I want you to do Winter Wonderland Yoga. And before break, we didn't finish Charlotte's Web. So I want you to read the ending of Charlotte's Web, chapter 20, 21, and 22 right here. And we're going to talk about it in live class if you liked the ending or not. So make sure to listen to those chapters. Hopefully you remember what happened before in Charlotte's Web. All right, and in social studies, we're going to go to Brain Pop today, and we're going to learn about the continents and oceans. And so I want you to watch the movie and then take the easy quiz. The username for Brain Pop Junior is GistPal, and the password is 54321GIST. Then I would like you to read 30 minutes. So every day you're going to see this daily check-in right here. This is kind of a new way that we're going to do points. So before the break, I was having you kind of fill out a slide and add up your points and stuff. It was too complicated and not very many people did it. I think about 3 people turned it into me. So what you're gonna do is after you finish your work, this is the form that you're gonna fill out. So let's just go through it so you know what to do. Okay, so make sure you choose your name and then put in what day it is. So MM means the month, so it would be 01, and the date and the year. So how many live sessions did you attend today? Live class, reading groups, and PE count. So choose how many. And then as a whole group, I'm going to add all of these numbers up. And if you guys, we'll talk about it in live class, but I think we'll set a thing that we can do together, like maybe a class party or maybe a lunch with Mr. Palmer. We'll see. All right, so then here, instead of giving yourself 100 points, I'm going to just have you rate yourself from 1 to 10. So 1 is you know that you can do better, and 10 is you tried your best and completed everything today. Then I want you to tell me what you read for your 30 minutes, and then this is for your parents. Remember how they gave you points, so they can rate you too. So you're gonna do this form every single day for me, and we're gonna keep track, and we're gonna see how you guys do. All right. So that is today. That is Monday. I can't wait to see you guys in class. Bye.